Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm diving into a topic that can feel overwhelming for a lot of families, and that is selling an estate and understanding probate here in Toronto. When someone passes away and leaves behind a property, their home becomes part of their estate. But before that property can usually be sold, there's a legal process that needs to happen first, and that's called probate. Probate is the official court process where a will is validated and the executor, that's the person responsible for managing the estate, is given legal authority to act. In Ontario, the formal name for this is applying for a certificate of appointment of estate trustee. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not every property needs to go through probate. There's something called the first Dealings Exemption. If the title to the property has never changed hands since it was first converted into Ontario's electronic land registration system, meaning it's the original registered owner, you might be able to transfer or sell the property without going through full probate. This can save a lot of time and money. With that said, it's case by case, and you'll need a real estate lawyer to confirm if the property qualifies. Another thing to be aware of is the estate administration tax, often called probate fees. In Ontario, it's based on the total value of the estate, including the value of the home. Roughly, the tax is about $15 for every $1,000 of estate value above $50,000. So depending on the value of the property, it can be a significant cost. In Toronto, probate can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on how complicated the estate is, how quickly documents are submitted, and whether there are any disputes. However, once probate is granted, or if it's not needed, selling the estate property is very similar to any other sale. But there are a few extra elements to be mindful of. Number 1, disclosures. You'll need to disclose that the sale is an estate sale. Number 2, condition of the property. Many estate homes are sold as is with no warranties. This is because the executors and/or beneficiaries aren't super intimate with the property and can't make any claims or guarantees. And number 3, the timeline. A property can be listed for sale when probate is still pending. However, since it can't actually be sold and closed on until probate is granted, buyers may include a clause making the sale conditional on probate being finalized. And number 4, be careful if there are multiple heirs. When more than one beneficiary is involved, everyone must agree before the home can be listed or sold. Handling a loved one's estate is emotional, and selling a property adds another layer. But with the right guidance and a great team, it can be a smooth, stress-free experience. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, I'm always here to help.